Okay, this is what progress looks like. Trees here. It's all gonna be landscaped. Look at that. The access way right here. Already asphalted. All the curbs are in. This is gonna be another continuation of that road. Just from here, going all the way through. Entrance from the street. Again, landscaping. This is gonna look great. These doors are gonna be black hardware, fob, one of those locks or keypads. So here again, we have the den. That's what the floor looks like right here. Beautiful laminate floor. Garage door is already in. Whew, that looks good. Garage all gonna be painted white around here. Hey, Mike.
Hello.
Meters. We're gonna have this nice. The indoor doors already in. Some storage. All right, going up the stairs. Let's see how the kitchen is looking. We got our extra storage space. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That looks great. Any water? Not yet. Look at that countertop. Look at that quartz. Beautiful. So black hardware. All the hardware here is going to be black too. We're installing it in a few days. Cabinet space. Just leave this closed. All going to be stainless appliances. Fridge. Double French doors. The dishwasher, the oven. It's just going to look great. We have the second. Ooh, this looks nice. Yeah, baby. We got power. No water again, but power. Nice. This looks great. This is the half bath. And then the vanity space. The shelving's coming due soon. As you can see, the holes here. Let's see if we can get out. See the site, ready for noise. Not that noisy. Hey, Steve. Very good. So, as you can see, this is already, all the asphalt's been poured in. This is going to be cut. We're gonna put the fence back here till we finish those 10 townhomes. Going back in. Oh, just fantastic. Kitchen looks really, really good. And then the living room. And how well lit this is. TV is gonna be right here. The sectional right here. Got the AC. Man, this looks like a house. Beautiful. Starting furnishing next week. This is the master bedroom right here. Look at all that light. Ah. Look at that walk-in closet. Already ready for shelving. We have hanging shelves here. And then we have, voila! Countertops for the bathrooms. Right, that vanity is here. Toilets are installed. Lighting fixtures. Look at that tub, all that beautiful tile. You got stainless steel. What's it called? The brushed nickel?
Yeah.
Brushed nickel. Finishes for everything. Spot lighting. Got that extra little linen closet right here. It's gonna be shelved. Washer dryer. That looks like a house, huh?
Yeah.
Hard to imagine in 4 weeks the difference. Just huge. It's all gonna be carpeted very soon. So I think next week they said?
Yep.
All right. extra storage for the kids for the second bedroom. This is the site. You got the 10 unit townhomes that are getting there, and then the building. We just started putting the first story walls. Fantastic. All right, let's run back down. So for today, my favorite part is definitely the kitchen. The countertops just look amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Brilliant.